Happy Sunday. Here's a little food for thought when it comes to the van life, the way it's presented on social media, Instagram, and YouTube. Think about Sprinter drivers, Sprinter owners. Think about the demographic. Do you have a picture in your head? Feel free to pause this video and leave it in the comments what you picture when you think about Sprinter drivers. When I think about Sprinter drivers, I think about holistic people, people into yoga, hipsters, hippies. Now think about their values, okay? Think about how they perceive life real quick. Now when I think about sprinters, you know what I think about? You know what I see? First of all, I want to say they're very nice. No doubt about it. Sprinter builds are very, very nice. But they're a little sterile to me. They're a little dime a dozen these days to me. They all look the same. They're all built up the same. It's very corporate to me. Now think about the demographic and think about the word corporate. When you see these channels, when you see these pages, they got a lot of sponsors. I don't think these people are buying all this gear on their own. It's almost like an advertisement when I see these vans, when I see the videos these people put out. It's very reminiscent of a corporate advertisement. Think about it. Just running errands right now. My van's pretty messy right now. It's not that bad right now. I could clean it up a little bit. I got solar back. Traditional solar charge controller into a battery. I'm done messing around with solar power stations. They're nice and I recommend you have one for backup. But when it comes to having a lot of electricity, you gotta go with solar panel. 100-watt panel into a charge controller, into a battery. You'll get a lot more than something like this. Unless you buy one of those $500 power stations. But for $200, standard solar is way better than this, and I even got another battery box. I'm gonna run even more solar. Check out where this is made in. That's very rare these days, and it didn't cost too much. I think it was like $13, probably less. So just been working on my van this whole day, and I was just thinking a little bit about the demographics of van channels and the people who drive them.